In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a password in 1Password, a task you might find yourself needing to do when a login is outdated or no longer needed. Let's make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the 1Password dashboard. This is where you'll have access to all your stored passwords and confidential information. If you aren't already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to gain access. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says View Vault Items and click on it. This will guide you to where all your saved passwords and secure items are stored. It's like opening your virtual vault, where all your digital keys are neatly arranged. With your vault open, the next step is to navigate to the section labeled Vaults. Clicking on this will present a list which contains all the vaults you have access to. Each vault is essentially a folder, organizing your passwords into manageable groups. Browse through until you find the particular vault containing the password you want to delete. Now that you're in your vault, you will see a list of all stored entries. Carefully review this list to identify the specific password you wish to delete. Once you've located it, click on it to reveal more details about this entry. To proceed with the deletion, find the three-dot icon. This is usually located in the corner of the Items menu. Clicking these three dots will bring up additional options you can perform on this entry. Among the options presented, look for and click on Delete. A cautionary dialog box might appear asking you to confirm your choice. This is 1Password's way of ensuring that you truly want to remove this entry, as once it's deleted, it will be removed permanently and cannot be recovered easily. If you're certain you want to go ahead, click on Delete Item. This final step will erase the selected password from your vault. And there you have it. The password is now gone, freeing up your vault from unnecessary clutter and keeping it organized. Remember, maintaining a tidy password vault can help you manage your online security more effectively. Regularly reviewing and removing old or unused passwords is a good practice to ensure your digital life is secure and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate through 1Password with confidence.